All right, students. So yes, like Tamanna says that sometimes it's the male dominating society, right? And that is the main obstacle for women's education. You are very true. That is very correct, a correct observation, right? So at times, yes, they feel insecure. So this is, this is the root of why our society is patriarchal. The male members of the society, right? And here I'm talking about some male members. I'm not talking about all of them, right? So do always note that I do not mean to generalize it. So whenever we are talking about whatever, these issues, so yes, few of our male members, they are very feminists at heart. They are always supportive of the women in their lives. But there are some people who are not, right? So don't take it any of these comments personally. We do not mean to generalize. So yes, the main obstacle is that yes, it is also the insecurity of few male members who feel that in case women are educated, they might get to know things, right? They'll become more aware and they may want to change the status quo. Yes, there is non-availability of teachers and a shortage of trained teachers. Students, please try to speak out, since the idea of our group discussion is that you can speak out, right? So don't hesitate. You can unmute your mic and say what you want to. ठीक है, क्योंकि वहां पे देखो वहां it won't be through the chat. You will have to speak out. So yes, they may want to, always keep the women subjugated, right? I'll write these words here so that you can use them. Subjugation, right? So if the women stay always dominated by the male members, so that ensures that status quo is maintained. What is status quo? This means that things should remain as they are right now. Nobody wants to see the change, right? एक इंडिया में इस चीज की बहुत प्रॉब्लम है कि we are very, skeptical about change. We are very afraid of how things might change, right? So क्या होता है कि कोई भी new changes, if you want to bring into the, our, let's say any system, it takes a lot of effort. You have to convince a lot of people, right? So, and people want to maintain the status quo. And here we are talking about our male members, the patriarchal society. To maintain that patriarchy, yes, they do not want the women to get education. आपने वो न्यूज सुनी होगी ना कई बार, मतलब in not just UP, even in other states, there are these controversies that they suddenly announce that women will not be allowed to have cell phones or they won't be allowed to wear jeans, right? हरियाणा में एक कॉन्सेप्ट बहुत है खाप पंचायत का, right? So it is not khap, it is khap. Khap panchayats, what do? They have a very, strong hold over the society, over the village society, right? And whatever those members say, the other people have to comply. Otherwise, they risk being, ostracized by the rest of the people or being ignored by the rest of the people. तो इनका कई बार होता है ना कि खाप पंचायत ने ये अनाउंसमेंट कर दी, आज से ऐसे नहीं होगा, right? They do not allow the people of the same villages, like the girl and the boy from the same village, to get married. And so on and so forth. They have a lot of narrow-minded notions that this cannot be done, that cannot be done, right? So yes, this is another point, non-availability of teachers and a shortage of trained teachers, right? So this, you can put it under infrastructural issues. So within infrastructural issues, what would be that? Yes, we do not have adequate schools. We do not have enough educators जितने required है. Most of the government schools, they are in pathetic state, right? वहाँ पे proper furniture नहीं होगा, proper washrooms नहीं होते हैं, drinking water का arrangement नहीं होता. No doubt the government is trying its best, yet abhi we are lagging behind, right? So this could be part of infrastructural issues. Then yes, within the topic of societal issues, you can mention all these points you made, right? That the male members are dominating, right? Women are seen only as homemakers. So there is this idea of gender roles as well. All right, so yes, at times even the women are themselves very narrow-minded. Yes, Tamanna, you are right here, that instead of bringing forth their own daughters, they also try to impose the same ideas on them, right? So few mothers are also at fault, and how they are at fault? They are simply the victims of the society. So the society managed to change their mindset as well. They might have, rebelled in their childhood that yes, I want to go to school. However, due to the societal pressure over the years, even their ideas change that yes, this is correct. My daughter should also not be allowed to go to school. So yes, I was talking about this term gender roles. This is another word you can use. Yes, this is missing, that women are not supporting each other, which is required, right? So yes, gender roles is बच्चे यही जो हमारे ये notions नहीं बने हुए कि women are supposed to look after the family, the males are supposed to earn for the family. ये एक fixed notions बने हुए हैं about what various people are supposed to do. ठीक है, and any change in this notion, in this system is always, upsetting for others. Right, तो इसको ही कहते हैं ना कि we need to redefine the gender roles, that there should not be any fixed, कि ऐसा नहीं है कि the mothers only are supposed to take care of the children, even the fathers can do, right? So the fathers can also pack tiffins for their children, they can make their braids, उनको school के लिए ready करना है, attend the PTMs, right? It is not only the sole responsibility of the mother. Similarly, the mother can also be the earning member of the family, right? The father can be a stay-at-home dad. So these ideas come within the idea of gender roles. Then as you said कि हमारे बहुत discrimination होती है, so the term for that would be gender discrimination or gender bias, right? इसमें है कि yes, gender bias is simply कि आप you have different ideas about what men are supposed to do, what women are supposed to do. जैसे अब इसी केस में है, if some family has limited financial means, they would choose to educate the son, even if let's say the girl is more intelligent than the son, right? So girl would be confined to the home, she would be made to do the household work, the son would be sent to the school for further studies. तो उसमें जब ये अगर आ जाते हैं ना, this situation of they have to pick one person, so yes, for education they'll always pick the son. So what else? Yes, educating women will make them more confident, you are right about it, and they would know about their rights. वही हो जाता है ना कि एक awareness create हो जाएगी, and people are afraid of that, of women getting to know कि उनके साथ क्या हो रहा है, what they are not supposed to be, putting up with, what are their rights, what rights the government has given them, right? So what else can you add to this discussion? So in case I were to summarize, we discussed, the various challenges are, let's say, infrastructural issues. इसमें बेटा सारा आ जाएगा कि enough schools नहीं है, right? And talking about access to education, right? So the schools and our teachers, वहाँ पे building and let's say even the washrooms. Yes, so yes, education is the, only way forward. There is lack of funding. Then yes, you can say, talk about financial constraints. Within this, you can say, okay, for, let's say for higher education, not everybody can afford higher education. No doubt the primary education is sponsored by the government, right? So for financial constraints में ये हो जाता है कि whenever it comes to higher education, the women are usually ignored and the son is sent forward. So then there is gender bias, gender roles, right? Then there is patriarchal mindset. All these male-dominated society, like you mentioned. So if we were to, summarize our discussion of today, these are the challenges which women face. Then a very big issue is the safety concerns, right? So let's say even the family is willing to send the girls to school, right? This family is very broad-minded about it. They are ready to put in the finances required. Yes, the old thinking. However, when it comes to safety of women in public sphere, public spaces are not safe enough. अब इसमें बच्चे सारे पॉइंट्स आ जाएंगे. क्राइम्स अगेंस्ट women, right? Then like you mentioned, the always this fear of sexual harassment, be it on the road or even in the school, right? There come काफी cases इसके भी सामने आते रहते हैं. Then we have let's say they're not safe enough even while they're outside the home, so people tend to keep them confined inside the homes only. So this is a very big issue. Again, this is also linked to the mindset of the people. So yes, the old school thinking, जो हमारी एक traditional thinking चल रही है कि नहीं girls को education की ज़रूरत नहीं है and all that. So what else can we talk about, right? So we discussed the financial issues, we discussed infrastructural issues, safety concerns. Okay, when it comes to essay, we do not write in points when we are writing an essay. Essay is supposed to be a series of paragraphs, right? So आपके उसमें essay writing है, I'll come to that as well. So we avoid making points in an essay. It is always in paragraphs only, right? So students just brainstorm, think of more challenges to women's education. कोई point रह गया हो which we can discuss right now. Anything you can come up with. All right. So yes, even the news which are reported about women being victims, that also creates fear among parents. You are right about it. For example, if you remember the Delhi rape case, right? It happened around 8 years back in 2012. You all might be in school, I believe, and quite young in school, right? So I was in college back then, and that really scared my parents too. And I used to travel by myself on a public bus. So after that incident, no doubt, even I started being more alert, more careful, right? Carrying a pepper spray with me. And same is true for my parents. Yes, this fear was there. क्योंकि वही होता है ना कि it could have been our daughter out there. So yes, they also started to be extra careful, asked me to keep my location updated whenever I was traveling, and so on, so forth. So all these, one such incident is enough to scare everybody, and the people who are making a progress, who are making an effort to educate their girls, उनके लिए भी एक ये setback हो जाता है, right? Yes, okay, some girls are emotionally weak. I would say not just girls, some people are emotionally weak, right? It could be men, it could be women, it could be our, parents, our siblings. So it's not about being emotionally weak. एक वो हो जाता है कि you are scared, right? थोड़ा सा हो जाता है. Some people are quite bold enough कि चलो कुछ नहीं होता, देखा जाएगा. Some people are kind of, very careful, and they tend to be more concerned if something like this happens. It's the peer pressure that can make them confused. How? Can you elaborate on this peer pressure? Yes, Tamanna, like you mentioned peer pressure. So which one are you referring to? All right, so can we think of more points? Okay, so at times I believe you want to say that our choices are governed more by what other people are doing or what people are telling us that this is a better choice rather than we follow our own mind and heart, right? So I think that is what you are trying to say. Okay, kai bar, so the society tries to change your mindset about something. Let's say you want to pursue uh, your higher studies in science, but ho sakta hai some people around you try to tell you that no, science is no place for women. Why don't you choose arts or commerce? That is better. So us case mein, with that societal pressure and after listening to the same thoughts again and again, yes, you also might become confused. Okay, am I making the right choice or not? Right? So I hope this is what you were trying to convey. So what else do you think are the challenges? चलो हमने challenges तो discuss कर लिए, right? So ठीक है, to begin with, we started with why do we need women's education, right? So you told me that it could be about, let's say, better life for women, right? They will become more aware, they'll become empowered. So this is also a good word to use. Right, women, it is a way for them to become financially independent. With a better education, no doubt, you will have a better job, yes, more stronger, confident, you can say assertive. Right, so they will have a voice. You can give, mother, they will, this is also very important. Voice अब इसमें ये है कि देखो we all can speak, right? But how many of us are actually heard or listened to? That is the point. अब कोई घर में कोई discussion हो रही है, ठीक है? If the women members are adding anything, first of all, at times they're not included in that discussion. If they are included, assertive means to put forward what you think is right. Assertive is कि अपनी आपने जो बात आगे रखनी है with confidence के yes, this is what I want to be done here, right? So that is what we call assertive. Like if you are talking about people, some people are assertive that yes, they know how to get their way. It's not about even getting their way, they know how to put their views forward in a very forceful manner that everybody listens, right? So that is assertive. Now imagine that yes, you are educated, you are doing BTech, after this you will get a good job, compared to you a girl who has not even studied till class 10th, right? तो आप में difference होगा दोनों में. If you have to say something, you will feel more confident, आपको exposure ज़्यादा मिला है. That person on the other hand has always been, let's say, never got the chance to interact with other people or see the world for herself. तो उसका experience different होगा आपसे. So she won't feel as confident if she wants to say something, right? जैसे again, this is also a stereotype. अब ये जैसे Shalini, the point you mentioned that people think that teaching is the best option for girls, so they might discourage you from taking a job in an MNC or let's say some engineering firm, right? तो इसका भी ये again, what is the root cause? These societal stereotypes. Yes, so educated women bring positive changes in their family as well as in society. You are right about it, Suman. Then yes, child marriages will also be controlled if women are more educated. क्योंकि एक generation educate हो रही है ना. अब जैसे जो आपका experience होगा in future, whenever let's say you get married and you have kids, you are going to be very different from your parents, right? आपके parents की जो parenting थी, that was based on different ideas. Yours in let's say next 10 years, it would be completely different. आपकी approach different होगी. So where is the difference coming? With education, with more exposure, right? आपके experiences अलग हैं. ठीक है, हो सकता है कि कई हमारे जो generation के our parents generation, right? Think of that. Some of them, they were in all boys or all girls school. ठीक है, no doubt these schools exist even now, but co-ed वाला experience different होता है. Okay, is my voice breaking? I hope it is not. All right. Okay. So don't worry, in case any of you is facing a network issue, I hope you know that we always record these classes and we put them on YouTube, right? So I can share the link with you in case you ever miss the class also. So you can visit that YouTube link and see the video for yourself, right? All right, बच्चे. So what else can? Okay. So अभी अगर हमने थोड़ा summarize करना हो, तो we started with the why we need women's education, right? So all of you, most of you made very good points that they educate their families, right, for the nation building, right, for better मतलब women के लिए to empower them, to make them more confident, more secure, financially independent, and then I told you for them to be assertive, right, to have a say in decision making. Since agar women are educated, right, तो family में भी they can help with the family business as well. It's not कि सिर्फ आपने कोई job करनी है आगे जाके. You can even help with the family business since you will be more aware. ठीक है? Then what else can we say? She is the foundation of the society, so she is one who can handle everything, right? Women are mostly, entrusted with the responsibility of taking care of their children. So no doubt, if mothers are educated, that will make a huge difference on the upbringing of the children. Yes, again, that is true. It is all dependent on how we think and approach things. You are right about it, Vijay. So if we have a positive mindset, we will think, look at things from that perspective. In case somebody has a negative mindset, so they are going to find faults, right? All right. So what else can you think of? हमने चलो challenges discuss कर लिया. I think we discussed almost all the possible challenges, right? Then we also discussed why do we need women's education. Then we also discussed the way forward, that why it should be done. Okay, can you tell me how can we change this situation? No doubt, no wonder हमने सारा discuss किया कि society का mindset ऐसा है. Can you think of ways of changing that? Or how women's education can be worked on better? So come on, everyone give 1 point and try to speak out, बच्चे. Right? Don't hesitate. अपना mic unmute करो and you can say it whatever your point is.
Ma'am, first point is employment.
All right. So you say that we need to have more employment opportunities for women, right? तभी वो encourage होंगे कि yes, पढ़ के हमें job मिलेगी. So this will work as a motivating factor for them to be educated. Very good point, Vijay. Okay, so by creating awareness in the society about the importance of women education, very right, Vishakha. Vishakha, आप इसके कुछ मेरे को ऐसे points, मतलब examples बता सकते हो? Yes, Tamanna, go ahead.
मैम जैसे विलेजेस वगैरह में ये ज्यादा होता है तो काउंसलिंग करनी चाहिए पेरेंट्स वगैरह की.
Very true.
उन्हें
Yes.
वुमेन एजुकेशन की इम्पोर्टेंस बतानी चाहिए.
Yes, very good point, Tamanna. Yes. Point is, one main point is creating awareness. Right now, how do we create awareness? उसमें एक point है कि yes, जैसे आपने बताया, counseling करनी चाहिए, face to face interaction करनी चाहिए, right? Villages में people should be visiting or some NGOs can visit. Even the government can put some people there on this particular duty that they have to visit various places, encourage the parents to send children to school. बेसिकली टू सेंड द गर्ल्स टू स्कूल, राइट? तो देखो जो हमारे एज के पॉइंट्स हैं ना, ये हमारे चैलेंजेस में से ही निकल आने हैं. जैसे चैलेंज हमने डिस्कस किया कि सेफ्टी कंसर्न्स हैं, तो इसका सोल्यूशन क्या होगा? वर्क ऑन द सेफ्टी प्रोटोकॉल्स, राइट? मेक द पुलिस मोर अवेयर, पुलिस मोर विमेन फ्रेंडली. ठीक है, उधर अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करने की जरूरत है. देन वी डिस्कस व्हाट एल्स कैन यू से? अच्छा चलो मुझे ये बताओ अवेयरनेस हम कैसे क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एक एग्जांपल लाइक तमन्ना ने दिया कि टॉकिंग टू पीपल, एक पर्सनल इंटरेक्शन के थ्रू. व्हाट अदर मेथड्स आर देयर टू क्रिएट अवेयरनेस?
मैम skit in front of him.
क्या करके बेटा? कैन यू रिपीट इट विजय?
मैम skit.
ओह वेरी गुड आइडिया.
मैम skit.
स्किट हो गई, प्ले हो गए, जैसे आपने सुना होगा नुक्कड़ नाटक है ना, स्ट्रीट प्लेस. इफ यू हैव नोटिस्ड इट इज नॉट सो कॉमन हियर बट इन यूनिवर्सिटीज एंड ऑल क्या होता है कि वन ग्रुप ऑफ दीज आर हमारे जो एक्टर्स होते हैं, थिएटर एक्टर्स, दे गैदर एट वन पब्लिक प्लेस, इट कुड बी अ मार्केट प्लेस, राइट, एंड ऑन द स्पॉट दे प्रेजेंट अ प्ले. सो दैट इज ऑल्सो वेरी गुड आइडिया. अगर हम इस थीम के अराउंड प्लेज करें, देन movies around this theme, right? Since everybody has access to smartphones, most of the people they do. Then TV is also in most of the households. दूरदर्शन तो आता ही है, तो दूरदर्शन पे telecasting similar programs, right? So here you can even take the example of जैसे आपने बेटी बचाओ बेटी पढ़ाओ का बहुत अच्छा example दिया, right? So government can make sure that these people know about these schemes. क्योंकि पता प्रॉब्लम कहाँ है, स्कीम्स तो बहुत सारी हैं गर्ल्स एजुकेशन के लिए. लाइक आई टोल्ड यू कि एजुकेशन तो इंडिया में फ्री है फ्रॉम 6 to 14 years ऑफ एज. दैट इज अ चाइल्ड्स राइट, फंडामेंटल राइट है, किसी का कोई डिनाई नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है, प्रॉब्लम कहाँ पे है? अवेयरनेस पे और इस राइट की इम्प्लीमेंटेशन पे. सो वी नीड टू चेक वेदर दिस राइट इज बीइंग इम्प्लीमेंटेड और नॉट, राइट? वेदर द पीपल, द चिल्ड्रन फॉर whom दिस राइट हैज बीन मेड, दे आर एबल टू एक्सरसाइज इट और नॉट, राइट? सो इसमें जैसे आप अवेयरनेस कैंपेन्स थ्रू एड्स कर सकते हैं. इन आपने ये भी नोटिस किया होगा कि इवन फॉर मोस्ट दीज पर्पसेस द गवर्नमेंट रोप्स इन आर सेलिब्रिटीज एज ब्रांड एम्बेसडर्स. हैव यू नोटिस दिस थिंग? यस, मानव, गुरजोत, सुमन, वंदना, राइट? सो आपने बेटा नोटिस किया होगा जैसे अपना वो था जो ये स्वच्छ भारत अभियान, राइट? इसके लिए अमिताभ बच्चन उनकी एड आती थी या ऐसे किसी और सेलिब्रिटी की एड आती थी. व्हाट इज द आइडिया? सिंस पीपल आइडेंटिफाई विद दीज सेलिब्रिटीज, राइट, दे रिकॉग्नाइज देम. तो उससे क्या होता है, इफ यू आर यूजिंग देम फॉर एड्स, योर मैसेज टेंड्स टू स्प्रेड एंड ऑल्सो पीपल माइट लिसन. क्योंकि हम क्या होता है, वी फॉलो आवर सेलिब्रिटीज, राइट? दे सेट द ट्रेंड्स फॉर अस. अगर आपके किसी फेवरेट सेलिब्रिटी ने कोई चीज एंडोर्स कर दी, you might also start thinking कि yes, this seems like a good brand, I can try this out, right? तो इससे क्या होता है कि आपका mind influence होता है. This is all about social media influence like we were talking. So this is why roping in the celebrities for creating awareness is also a very good idea. What other ideas can you give for creating awareness? चलो just think about it, brainstorm करो, कोई ideas बताओ. Let's say I were to give you this assignment के create awareness about women's education. What can you think of? आपने जैसे विजय told me about street plays, right? Skits कर सकते हैं. Tamanna said कि we can talk to people personally, try to counsel them. What else? All right, yes. So there can be, mechanisms for giving scholarships to women for in case they are facing a financial problem. Very true. That was a very good point. Then how else can we create awareness? Yes, बच्चे, think of it. आप बाकी गवर्नमेंट के प्रोग्राम सोचो ना कि गवर्नमेंट उनके लिए कैसे अवेयरनेस क्रिएट कर रही है. Yes, come up with some ideas. Yes, Pavandeep Singh, Kanwardeep. Okay, very good, Shalini. Shalini, you could, देखो आप ये वैसे बोलकर भी बता सकते थे, right? Through advertisement in newspapers, yes. जैसे अभी आपने नोटिस किया होगा कोरोना के लिए कितना न्यूज में आता है ना? वैक्सीन के लिए पहले आ रहा था, people, matlab the government tries to urge people to stay inside, to wear masks, to stay safe. Similarly, we can use the same ideas for creating awareness about women's education as well. Yes, people definitely need to change their mindset. And how can we help them change their mindset? What else can you think of? Okay, partnerships with local businessmen or shops, all right. So how can this help? Partnerships with local shops. आप इसका बेटा मेरे को एग्जाम्पल बताओगे? Yes, Vishakha, don't hesitate बेटा. You can speak here. This class is for you to speak out.
Ma'am, they contribute funds.
They can contribute funds. Okay, yes, Vishakha.
They contribute funds.
मैम जैसे लोकल बिजनेसमैन या शॉप्स के साथ जो गवर्नमेंट है वो मैम पार्टनरशिप्स कर सकती है कि आप
Very good
प्रमोट
idea.
करो.
Yes.
आप जो आपके पास शॉप जो आपके पास आते हैं कस्टमर्स आते हैं उन्हें बताओ कि वुमेन एजुकेशन कितनी जरूरी है.
Very good idea. Yes.
पैम्पलेट्स बना सकते हैं. क्रिएटिव पैम्पलेट्स बना सकते हैं जिससे वो अट्रैक्ट हों और देखें कि क्या है ये और
Yes.
एजुकेशन के लिए और मोटिवेट हों.
Very good. See, you should be speaking out. You have such wonderful ideas, right? ये मेरे को चैट से अब समझ नहीं आना था आपका आइडिया. ठीक है? So that was a good idea. Like Vishakha told के जो people are in regular touch with the general public, जैसे हमारे शॉपकीपर्स हो गए, ठीक है, देन बिजनेसेस जो लोकल हो गए, एक तो उनके साथ पार्टनरशिप करके गवर्नमेंट कैन इनकरेज देम कि वो अवेयरनेस क्रिएट करे. गवर्नमेंट कैन इवन इनकरेज देम कि दे शुड एम्प्लॉय मोर विमेन, राइट? जैसे उनको गवर्नमेंट थोड़ा इंसेंटिव दे के ठीक है हाफ सैलरी जो भी आपके विमेन एम्प्लॉयज की होगी वो हम देंगे, हाफ आपने पे करनी है. एंड दिस वे इवन द शॉपकीपर्स वुड बी इनकरेज टू हायर मोर विमेन, राइट? So yes, this was a wonderful idea, Vishakha. Then Ajayjeet says creating short films for motivating people. Yes. And we need to destroy these bad ideas. No doubt, Abhishek. You are right about it that yes, all these ideas which are, still a bit backward, right? जो हमारी society को damage कर रहे हैं, उनको we have to fight those ideas. So at your end, what do you think, how can you help? Let's say at your end, not doing anything special, how can you help for the cause of women's education? Yes, tell me. जैसे we can, whenever you are noticing somebody who's talking this way in your family, right? Or let's say even not your friends तो हमारे same generation के हैं. Okay, yes. So you say. Very good idea. Yes, Tamanna. Very good idea. That जैसे हमारे घर में most of us have hired helps, right? We have hired domestic help for let's say doing the dishes or the cleaning. तो उसमें क्या है कि आप उनको start कर सकते हैं educate करना. उनको कुछ if they are willing to study, आप उनको पढ़ा सकते हैं, उनके बच्चों को help कर सकते हैं, right? Yes, bringing up real life examples. So if you cannot go out, maybe you cannot go out and do something, you can, sitting at your home, you can educate people around you. If let's say your grandparents have these views, आप उनके साथ discussion कर सकते हैं. I won't say कि लड़ाई कर लो आप अपने घर वालों से. No, that is not a solution. You can always have a constructive discussion. Let's say if your grandparents have some such old ideas, you can talk to them. You can tell them about what's the current scenario, right? And why a particular idea is not right. ठीक है? Yes, आप अपनी you can donate your books, right? You can donate your extra stationery if you have. ठीक है? कई अपने हमारे इधर जलंधर में भी बहुत सारे NGOs हैं. In case you are willing to, you can take out time, you can join such NGOs which working for the education of children, of poor children. ठीक है? जो अपने child laborers हैं उनको control करने के लिए कोई बनी है. सो आई वुड रियली सजेस्ट, क्योंकि इसमें क्या है कि आपको बेटा जो उससे लर्निंग होगी ना, दैट इज अनमैच्ड. यू कैन नॉट लर्न दोज थिंग्स सिटिंग इन अ क्लासरूम, राइट? यूजली नो डाउट आई नो दैट योर कोर्स इज वेरी हेक्टिक. ठीक है, आपका काफी क्लासेस कितना टाइम होती हैं, देन यू हैव असाइनमेंट्स टू लुक आफ्टर, you also have to study. But even if you manage to take, let's say, 2 hours per week for a cause like this, whichever cause you feel close to, it could be children's education, women's education, it could be about animal rights, I would suggest do use this time. You can get associate yourself with some NGO, or even अगर आपकी सोसाइटी में कुछ भी है जो आपको लग रहा है ना कि you can change or you can do something about it, make sure you do. क्योंकि अभी ये वाला स्टूडेंट लाइफ में तो नो डाउट वी गेट अ लॉट ऑफ टाइम, होता है कि यू कैन मैनेज योर टाइम वेल. वंस यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग थिंग्स बिकम अ लिटिल मोर डिफिकल्ट, राइट? इट्स नॉट कि आपको बिल्कुल टाइम नहीं मिलेगा, बट तब प्रायोरिटीज बहुत चेंज हो जाती हैं, रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज इंक्रीज हो जाती हैं, राइट? सो दिस इज जस्ट अ वेरी जनरल एडवाइस, समथिंग आई थॉट आई शुड बी शेयरिंग विद यू, दैट यस, अब women's education से I got this idea that yes, you can always work with some NGO, or like taking out time to just educate your maid, the domestic help that you have at home, right? Or maybe help her children with studies. Usually ये क्या होता है कि since they are not educated, they tend to send their children to tuitions. ठीक है, तो आप ऐसे अगर if you take up the responsibility of teaching 2 kids or let's say even 1 kid, that would be of huge help to the other person, right? And in that way you can also have these discussions about women's education, kya kyun hona chahiye, why is it required, and so on and so forth. So students, we are left with about a minute to go, so I'll take your leave now. That was a very good discussion, right? I really enjoyed taking this class, and I would encourage the rest of you to also talk, come forward, give your views, right? Since I do appreciate that you give your views through the chat box, but it would be even better if you are speaking them out, क्योंकि the idea of this class is कि हमने आपकी speaking skills पे work करना है, ठीक है? No doubt it is also to give you new ideas, but also to work on how you speak. So we'll meet again soon, right? Keep up the good work. I really enjoy taking your class, and you're all wonderful students. So take care. That is all for today.